Alright guys, I'm out here with the Syma W1. I think it's like 9 satellites so far. Boy, this thing seems to have a lot of lag in it, I'll tell you. I just want to take it off and just see how it flies for right now. I mean, it's cold, windy, snowy, and all this other crap, so... Home point confirmed. I mean, I'm not going to go out there and stand in that snow, okay? All right, this is going to be a quick flight because I could have swore I charged the battery, but it's showing that the battery's weak, so I'm not messing around. I'm gonna have this thing go into some return to home and go back to Guangdong, China somewhere. I just wanted to see if it worked. It seems to fly okay. When the weather cheers up a little bit, we'll get it out and fly it around a little bit. It just seems like it has some lag to it, you know. We'll see, right? We'll see. Now it says I got 15 satellites. And there is plenty of lag in that video. Now, that's the lag from the Wi-Fi. Who knows what the lag is on the SD card? There might not be any lag in that. You know, what it's recording to the SD card might not have any lag, but it has plenty of lag in the Wi-Fi transfer of the video. So, all right, I'm going to stop that. That recorded for 3 minutes or whatever. So I saved the video. This thing actually did come with a micro SD card, but it was no good. It didn't work. And I did all the calibrations and everything on it before I did anything, so. All right. It works. That's all we know. It works. All right. All right, guys. There you go. The Syma W1. It might be a turd, but who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But it's a little bit too cold today to be messing with that thing. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.